NASA engineers call it their super sauce. Field and Stream magazine named it best of the best. Practical Sailor, Powerboat Reports, and Florida Sportsman magazines all gave it their top recommendation. Even the U.S. Navy specifies its use on its most advanced weapons systems. On land, at sea, in the air, and even in space, the experts choose corrosionx, a revolutionary corrosion fighter, a superior lubricant, and an unbeatable penetrant. Rust robs us every day of both time and money. It eats away at metal like termites gnaw at wood. It ruins locks, hinges, gears, cars, tools, and electronics. Anything and everything made of metal. If left untreated, all metal ends up here, in the proverbial rust heap. corrosionx now offers a space-age solution to the age-old problem of rust and corrosion. What makes corrosionx so special? A breakthrough technology called polar bonding. Because most metals and metal alloys share electrons, the surface of metals are covered with positive and negative poles, sort of like a series of tiny batteries. corrosionx has been engineered so that its molecules also have positive and negative poles. In this case, the positive poles on corrosionx molecules are attracted to the negative poles on metal, and vice versa, so they're drawn together almost like two magnets. This attraction is strong enough that corrosionx penetrates through surface oxidation, releasing rust and displacing moisture and other electrolytes, such as salt crystals, that are the catalysts for new corrosion to form. So unlike the so-called corrosion inhibitors you've tried in the past, corrosionx actually stops rust. Due to the product's unique formulation, corrosionx is non-conductive. This makes it ideal for protecting and often restoring electronics. Use it on the battery terminals in your car, boat, or RV, as well as switches, light sockets, breakers, fuse panels, and wiring harnesses that are susceptible to corrosion. Unlike so many other products on the market, corrosionx contains almost no solvent, so it's much safer to use and easier on the environment. corrosionx has made a huge impact on the aviation industry. At nearly 200 official treatment centers across the U.S. and at numerous military bases worldwide, airframes are being fogged with corrosionx, keeping them rust-free for up to 2 years. Now that same aerospace technology is yours for a great many household applications. corrosionx will free up, lubricate, and protect all of your door locks. It'll take the squeak out of hinges and door slides. It's great for the garage door and door opener mechanism. It's wonderful for fans of all types, and it'll keep your tools clean and free from rust. Americans love their cars, and this represents yet another place where the application of corrosionx will save you maintenance time and money. Stop frame and body rust. Battery terminals, fuse panels, hitches, squeaky doors, stubborn locks, in fact most moving parts, and anywhere in the shop, are places where the bright red can will make a dramatic difference. The marine environment is especially hostile to all metals, and here corrosionx shines brightly. Several renowned boat manufacturers are now giving it away to new boat owners as the best thing they can use to maintain their watercraft. Railings, cleats, stanchions, winches, tracks, and all deck fittings. The engine, steering gear, seacocks, as well as all electrical components. Just spray corrosionx and wipe down all your deck hardware to see what a difference it'll make, keeping your boat beautiful, rust-free, and operating at peak efficiency. corrosionx is a great problem solver on the farm or ranch. Anywhere moisture collects, you can now protect. Any two pieces of metal that wear will now perform almost friction-free after your first application. And whenever electrical contacts need to be maintained, you have the answer with your purchase of corrosionx. Industrial applications also abound with corrosionx. Think electrical. Think mechanical. Keep rust away where it belongs. We are so confident in corrosionx, so certain that you will find it clearly superior, that we unconditionally guarantee your 100% satisfaction or your money back. No ifs, ands, or buts. Try some corrosionx today.